YouTube? I'm Hacker544, and welcome to Blue Flappy Bird. This is kind of like Flappy Bird. Well, it's exactly like Flappy Bird, but when you play it, when you flap, it goes a little much slow. So that's what makes it good. I'll demonstrate. See, very slow, and that's what makes it so easy. So just. No, never mind. I'm not. As you see, I got 59 on this when I not made YouTube and stuff. Well, there's always next time. Oh, well, it's always gonna start zero because it didn't even get 8 points. Be kid. No. Oh, Manny, what the heck? Ugh. Let's do this again. Tap, tap, tap. Come on, it's not really funny anymore. Tap. Here we go. I'm sorry if I'm talking a lot. I just started the channel. I just started the channel, so don't expect me to talk a lot like all those other YouTubers. Snow. You son of a blue little piece of crap. Oh yeah, I like that one. The gray and yellow one. I like that. That's my homie car. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap. 15. That's the good thing about you, Flappy Bird. You can pick up where you left off. That's what I like about you. And it's because you're slow. You give the player more time. That's what I get about you. Like, what breed are you? What kind of breed of birds are you? It looks like somebody just put a ball. Like somebody just made a ball. Then put a duck's beak on it and the eyes. No, when you look at it from the side, it looks like nothing. Mess you up like that. No. Game over. Oh, I don't want to waste hearts. Oh, deformed duck looking. Yes. Let's see, can pick up where I left off. Cooking this was an accident. The thing about this, it takes too long. The load screen, the one that says tap tap. Like, I tap it for like 20 times and it does nothing. That's what I hate about this app. It's dumb. Okay, guys, I'm gonna tell you something at the end of the video that you really must do. I'll tell you that at the end of the video. Not very energetic. Oh my god, I was so close. Oh, not that close. Oh, my head. Got a headache. It's really making me really stressful. I think it's on my head's hurting. Just stressful little. Oh. Okay, 5 more tries this and I'm gonna end the video. I cannot take this any longer. Hold on, guys. What? Bye, guys. That's just my brother against the batteries. Hey, stop. Between you and me, he's raggedy as heck. Okay. No. This gives me a day for my... No, not my next video. Something else. See, it takes too long. We're tapping for quite a long time. I think I can get past the... Bye, guys. Shut up. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I said I was gonna do like 4 more, but I gotta end the video right here. You know the thing back earlier? So I need to tell you something. Please, in the comments below this video, tell me what's something that I need to improve on. Like in my other videos. Something that I need to improve. And I'll probably do that in my next video. Okay? Goodbye, YouTube. Peace.